This is number 7 from the 2025 Algebra 1 EOC. It says a student used a checking account to pay for living expenses during the first 2 years of college. The table shows the amount the student had in the account after different numbers of months had passed. Based on the correlation coefficient for the data, what type of linear association exists between the number of months that had passed and the balance remaining in the account? So in order to find our correlation coefficient, we're going to use our TI-84 graphing calculator. And so we're going to go to Stat, and then we're going to go to Edit, and we're going to put the number of months, which is like our X value, in L1, and the remaining balance, which is like our Y value, in L2. Once we have our numbers entered, we're going to go back to Stat, go to the right to Calc, and we're going to go down to Linear Regression, which is number 4, and click Enter. Make sure you have L1 for X, L2 for Y, and go down to Calculate and hit Enter. And notice we get an A and a B value, but we don't have our correlation coefficient. And so if this happens to you, here's what you do. Press second and then 0 so we can go to catalog and go down until you see diagnostic on. Once you have an arrow on diagnostic on, hit enter and then hit enter one more time. That's going to allow us to calculate correlation coefficients. So now we go back to stat, back to calc, down to 4 for linear regression, hit enter. And go down to calculate one more time, hit enter. And this time we do have our A and B value, but we also have our R squared and R value. And so letter R is going to be our correlation coefficient, and that's negative 0.8985. And so because our correlation coefficient is negative and it's close to -1, right? It's basically negative 0.9. That is going to be a strong negative correlation coefficient. And so that means we are going to go with letter C. If you're getting ready for the Algebra 1 EOC, or you just need help with Algebra 1, I've created a platform just for you. So I have all of my video lessons, practice problems, everything you need for Algebra 1. And so if you'd like to check it out, just go to alldayeverydaymath.com or just comment all day and I'll send you the link.